Hello, my name is Matthew Finney. This is homework assignment 7.3 for CPSC 5010 Spring Semester 2024. For this assignment, we had to determine the geometric point of intersection of two line segments. And so we have each endpoint is represented by an x value and a y value. And we have to we prompt the user to enter the values for each point for each line, and then we calculate the point of intersection. So for this, started by creating a structured type to represent a single point in two-dimensional space called point. And then we created a function to calculate the intersection of two lines, with each line being represented by two endpoints, each one with an x value and a y value. So the start point of line 1 is variable x1 represented by an x and a y value. The end point of line 1 is x2. The start point of line 2 is x3, and the end point of line 2 is x4. And so then I created a variable I called UA, and this is where I'm just taking the creating the geometric triangles in order to calculate the where the intersection point is. And so this is calculating the factor to apply to the values of x1 and y1, and to finally calculate that intersection point. Sorry, I don't think I explained that very well, but it's kind of a complex calculation. So then in the main program, we created the 4 variables for the endpoints of each line, and then we prompted the user to enter the values for those endpoints. We read them in, and then we send those as parameters into the find intersection method, and then finally display the values. So I have a couple of examples here. So for the first one, the first line, the start point is 1, 1, and the end point is 5, 1. And then for the second one, the start point is 2, 2, and the end point is 4, 0. And you can see that those intersect at a value of x value of 3 and a y value of 1. Do it again for 1, 5 going to 5, 0. Right? Yes. And then 1, 2 going to 5, 3. And 3 and 2.5. And I don't have it here, but I manually drew a graph, and it turns out correctly. Thank you.